The rumored camera upgrades for the Galaxy S26 Ultra are creating excitement, with leaks suggesting one of the most significant improvements in years. Samsung appears to be bringing back a long-lost feature while also making major changes to its zoom cameras. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, the S26 Ultra could deliver a camera experience that fans have been waiting for. One of the biggest claims is the return of variable aperture. Samsung first introduced this feature with the Galaxy S9, allowing the camera to switch between two aperture settings depending on lighting conditions. However, it was later removed from newer models. Now, a new leak suggests that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 200 megapixel primary sensor could feature a variable aperture ranging from f/1.4 to f/4.0. For comparison, the Galaxy S9 had a more limited range of f/1.5 to f/2.4. If true, this would give users more control over how much light enters the lens, leading to better performance in both bright and low light conditions. Another major rumor focuses on Samsung's zoom cameras. While the secondary 50 megapixel sensor might not sound too groundbreaking, the improvements to zoom capabilities could be a game changer. Reports suggest that Samsung is replacing the existing 10 megapixel 3x zoom sensor with a new 50 megapixel sensor offering 3.5x optical zoom. This means sharper and more detailed images when zooming at medium distances. Even more exciting is the claim that the second zoom camera will receive an upgrade. The leak indicates that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixel sensor with 8x zoom and a 184mm focal length. This would be an improvement over the 50 megapixel 5x zoom camera found on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If accurate, these changes would provide significantly better zoom quality, making the Galaxy S26 Ultra one of the most powerful smartphones for photography. Despite these promising rumors, conflicting reports suggest that Samsung might remove one of the two zoom cameras altogether. This could be a move to simplify the camera system, reduce costs, or improve efficiency in other areas. If true, it would be a surprising decision, as Samsung has been known for its strong zoom capabilities in recent years. Samsung's approach to camera upgrades has been relatively conservative, with the company focusing on refining existing technology rather than making drastic changes. If these rumored improvements actually make it to the final product, they can bring back excitement among longtime Samsung users who have been hoping for a major leap in camera performance. However, since the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still about a year away from launch, it's important to take these leaks with some skepticism. Smartphone designs and features often change during development, and nothing is confirmed until Samsung officially unveils the device. Some leaks may turn out to be exaggerated or completely inaccurate, while others might give us an early look at what to expect. If these camera upgrades do happen, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could set a new standard for smartphone photography. Apple is set to equip the iPhone 17 series with Samsung's most advanced OLED display technology, reinforcing its reliance on the industry leader in mobile displays. Samsung Display has long been the primary supplier of OLED panels for Apple's iPhones, and it appears that Apple will continue this partnership for its upcoming flagship lineup. With Samsung's latest M14 material set-based OLED panels, the iPhone 17 models are expected to offer an even better visual experience. Reports from Korean media indicate that Apple will use Samsung's newest OLED technology across all four models of the iPhone 17 lineup, including the standard iPhone 17, 17 Plus, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. Additionally, Apple is rumored to introduce a new iPhone 17 Air, which may also benefit from this display upgrade. With this move, Apple is ensuring that all of its new iPhones, from base models to premium ones, feature top-tier display technology. Samsung Display is expected to supply the majority of the OLED panels for these iPhones, with estimates suggesting that Apple will purchase up to 90 million units. While Apple does source some panels from LG Display and other suppliers, Samsung will likely be the dominant provider. This is a significant deal for Samsung, as supplying premium OLED panels to Apple ensures a major revenue boost. Given the cost of high-end OLED displays, Samsung is expected to profit substantially from these sales. The M14 OLED material set is currently the most advanced technology available for commercial smartphone displays. It offers improvements in brightness, efficiency, and longevity, making it one of the best choices for flagship smartphones. This means iPhone 17 users can expect richer colors, deeper blacks, and better overall display performance. While Samsung has been using high-quality OLED panels for its own Galaxy flagship devices, Apple's decision to adopt this latest technology signals that it wants to offer an even better visual experience for its users. The introduction of these advanced OLED panels could also impact iPhone pricing. Premium display technology comes at a higher cost, and if Apple is using this high-end material set across all models, it could result in slightly higher price points. However, Apple may absorb some of the cost to remain competitive, especially as it faces increasing pressure from rivals in the smartphone market. Beyond the display, the iPhone 17 series is expected to bring several other upgrades. Rumors suggest that Apple may introduce a new design, enhanced camera technology, and improved battery life. If the iPhone 17 Air does launch, it could mark a shift in Apple's lineup, possibly replacing the Plus model with a thinner and more lightweight variant. Samsung has long been Apple's biggest competitor in the smartphone space, but their collaboration on OLED displays continues to benefit both companies. While Apple's iPhones drive massive global sales, Samsung's display division profits from supplying high-quality panels. This partnership has allowed Apple to offer some of the best smartphone displays available, ensuring that its devices remain visually stunning and competitive in the premium market. The iPhone 17 Pro might finally bring a long-awaited upgrade to its video recording capabilities. A new rumor suggests that Apple could introduce 8K video recording, a feature that has been missing from iPhones, while competitors have offered it for years. If true, this upgrade would put Apple's flagship device on par with rivals like Samsung, which has supported 8K recording on its Galaxy S Ultra models since 2020. The iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in September, and as usual, leaks and rumors are already spreading. Some reports claim Apple will introduce a significant redesign, while others suggest hardware improvements. One of the latest rumors comes from tipster Fixed Focus Digital on Waymo, who suggests that Apple will enable 8K recording for the iPhone 17. While the source doesn't specify which models, it is likely that this feature will be exclusive to the Pro versions. Currently, no iPhone supports video recording above 4K resolution. However, this isn't the first time rumors of 8K video on iPhones have surfaced. Back in 2024, there were reports that Apple was testing this feature for the iPhone 16 Pro, but it never made it to the final version. If the iPhone 17 Pro does get 8K recording, it could also improve spatial video recording for the Apple Vision Pro. The overall impact of this upgrade will depend on whether one or multiple sensors on the iPhone 17 Pro support 8K recording. Apart from camera improvements, rumors suggest a possible shift in the iPhone's build materials. Apple introduced titanium with the iPhone 15 Pro, but some sources claim that at least part of the iPhone 17 lineup might switch to a half-aluminum, half-glass design. However, it remains unclear whether this change would apply to the Pro models or just the standard versions. If Apple does move away from titanium, it could be for cost-saving reasons or to achieve a different balance between durability and weight. Another major rumor suggests that Apple introduced a new model in the lineup, possibly replacing the Plus variant. This new device, rumored to be called the iPhone 17 Air, is expected to be ultra-thin, with leaked CAD-based designs showing it to be nearly half as thick as the iPhone 17 Pro. If this turns out to be true, it could become one of the thinnest smartphones ever made, which might appeal to users who prefer a sleek and lightweight device. However, making the phone thinner could also mean compromises in battery capacity or other internal components. If Apple does introduce 8K video recording, it will be interesting to see how it compares to Samsung's implementation. The latest Galaxy S25 Ultra now allows 8K recording on 3 different cameras, giving users more flexibility when shooting high-resolution content. Apple is known for its advanced video processing and software optimization, so the company may find a way to deliver better quality or additional features that enhance 8K recording. With so many rumors circulating, it will be exciting to see what Apple actually delivers in September. Whether it's 8K video recording, a thinner design, or an entirely new model, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartphone launches of the year.